Did you know that every 40 seconds, someone in the world has a stroke? It's one of the leading causes of death and disability globally. But the good news? Knowing the signs and acting quickly can save lives. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about strokes, from what causes them to how you can prevent them. What is a stroke? A stroke occurs when there is an interruption in the blood supply to the brain. This can happen in two ways: either a blood vessel becomes blocked or it bursts open. Without blood, the brain cells don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need, and they begin to die. Watch out for these signs of stroke. Recognizing a stroke quickly is crucial, as prompt action can greatly improve the chances of recovery. Delaying treatment can lead to long-term damage. Use the Be Fast method to spot the symptoms. B. Balance loss. E. Eyes. F. Face. A. Arms. S. Speech. T. Time. What is Be Fast? Let's learn. B. Balance. Check if the person is losing their balance or having difficulty walking. Sudden loss of coordination or dizziness is a sign to watch for. E. Eyes. Look for sudden loss of vision or blurred vision in one or both eyes. This can happen when someone is trying to focus on something or reach for an object. F. Face. Ask the person to smile. Does one side of their face droop? A. Arms. Ask them to raise both arms. Does one arm drift downward? S. Speech. Ask them to repeat a simple sentence. Is their speech slurred or hard to understand? T. Time. If you notice any of these symptoms, call emergency services immediately. Time is critical. Certain risk factors increase the chance of having a stroke. These include high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, high cholesterol, obesity, and family history of stroke. But there is hope. You can reduce your risk with lifestyle changes such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding tobacco, and managing your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Immediate treatment after a stroke is essential. For strokes caused due to clots, your doctors may use medications to dissolve the clot. For strokes caused due to rupture of blood vessel, surgery might be needed to stop the bleeding. The sooner treatment begins, the better the chances for recovery. After a stroke, rehabilitation plays a crucial role in restoring lost abilities and regaining independence. The rehabilitation process often involves physiotherapy and speech therapy to support healing and improve daily functioning. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, recognizing the signs of a stroke early can save lives. If you or someone you know experiences loss of balance, confusion, blurred vision, drooping face, weakness in arms or difficulty speaking, don't wait, call emergency services immediately. Early treatment is key. Please share the video, since it could make a real difference in someone's life. The more people who know the signs of a stroke, the more lives we can help save. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable health tips. Your support is truly appreciated. Stay safe and take care.